Project-oriented engineering design at Linzer Technikum, the Marble Run as a platform for international collaboration. How can project-oriented engineering design be brought to life? It's not about the Marble Run itself. It's about learning through action and personal development through technical creation. A marble enters through a defined entry point, is lifted upward by a hoisting mechanism or elevator, rolls down an adjustable track, passes an obstacle, and exits through a defined outlet interface. Entry and exit points can be placed opposite or at 90 degrees, allowing multiple cubes to be connected into a ring system. The result is an expandable, functional marble run, ideal for presentations, for example, during open house events. But project-oriented learning goes far beyond the technical. It means developing competencies as a whole. Working on the marble run builds skills in 4 key areas. Communication, following the principle if it's written, it stays. Clear documentation and communication ensure project success. Organization, maintaining project plans and work packages build structure and responsibility. Risk, students perform risk analyses and assessments, learning to anticipate and manage issues. Technical know-how, through creativity methods, research, interviews, experiments, and the use of artificial intelligence to evaluate and improve designs. At present, all CUBE teams come from Linzer Technikum. In the future, the project will expand across borders. Each CUBE team could include students from 2 partner schools in different countries. There, they experience on a small scale how a real international industrial project is brought to life. They see how communication, organization, and technology interact, and how these skills grow through collaboration. Along the way, both teams naturally strengthen their English skills. The result is clear. With this experience, students are ready to tackle real industrial projects successfully. The Marble Run is therefore much more than a technical model. It is a learning system and a connecting element of modern engineering education. And above all, it opens the door to international collaboration between schools. We invite you to join us in developing this idea, and to give students the opportunity not just to learn technology, but to experience it, understand it, and shape it together.